In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the fuel filter on this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. We need to depressurize the fuel system. Underneath the hood, there's the electrical center. Just grab this cover, pull it off. We want to look for the fuel pump relay. It's located right here. So we're going to grab that. I'm just using some pliers. You can grab it with your fingers. Rock it back and forth. Pull that out. And then you're going to start the vehicle, let it run until the vehicle dies. That's going to depressurize the fuel system. Using a 21mm line wrench, I'm going to go on the front of the filter, then a 16mm line wrench. I'm going to loosen up this nut right here. Make sure you have a drain bucket underneath. You're going to lose a little bit of fuel. Once you crack it free, you might be able to do it by hand. There we go. All right, loosen that up. Now we're gonna loosen up the back one. Then on the back, use the same 21mm line wrench, 16mm line wrench, and loosen this up. Again, you should see some fuel come out. On the other side of the frame, there's these two nuts right here. You want to take those off. Those are attached to that bracket. Use a 13mm socket. Take those off. One up here as well. The nut right here, that's attached to a bracket. I'm just going to take that nut off. Same 13mm socket, just to get a little more leverage, a little more slack. Right there, and also one right here. Just give us a little bit of movement. All right. I'll just grab the filter and the bracket. We can pull it out a little bit. And this line, we're just gonna pop it off the bracket over here if you can. Oh, there's the fuel. I just want to pull that out of the way. There we go. Just pull that line out, and then we can push the filter all the way forward, just like that. Just let that drip out. And there's the filter. On the filter itself, you should see an arrow which direction the fuel should flow. On this one, it says out. So out is going to be towards the front of the vehicle. The fuel comes in here and goes out there. So we'll slide this in. Just get the lines out of your way. Just check the O-rings on the end of the lines. You should replace those, but those look pretty good on both sides. Slide that all the way on. I'm going to just start the couple threads right here. All right. And then push that back and then get the front line on. There we go, that's started. Just make sure those brackets are in place. And we'll tighten these down. Snug that down. Make sure this one's snug down. If you have the ability to get a torque wrench with a crow's foot, you want to torque those to 18 foot-pounds. Put the nuts on. And snug these all down. Just move that harness back if you pulled that out. After we're done, we can take that relay, push that back in, put the cover on. You want to prime the fuel system. Turn the key on, wait 3 seconds, then shut it off. Turn it on again, wait 3 seconds, and then you should be able to start the car. It may take a little bit longer to start, but it should be fine.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.